It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 16th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Clouds on the increase today and somewhat cooler temperatures coming on in, and we'll see that cooling trend continue for the rest of the week. As we get later into the weekend and early next week, a further increase in clouds and moisture looks likely, and we might even see a few showers across parts of the state. Could we see any rain here in the valley? Well, we'll talk about all of that in just a moment. First, taking a look at the almanac from yesterday, 87 degrees the afternoon high, 56 was the morning low, the normal high 77, the normal low 54. Taking a look at the current weather across the valley right now at 8:30 a.m. High clouds out there this morning, mostly cloudy sky. We're sitting at 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 28, relative humidity 29%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. The upper air look this morning shows a trough passing through the western states, and that has served to flatten out the ridge here across the southwest. That's going to mean temperatures are lower. We will see an increase in clouds, but this far south, no precipitation to worry about. All of the action is to be found well to the north of us, across the Intermountain West, the northern Rockies, and spilling out into the northern Plains states. A number of wind and winter weather advisories, along with high wind warnings and winter storm warnings up there. The rest of the country fairly quiet. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather expected. In fact, with much of the nation in cool, stable air, no thunder anywhere across the lower 48. And the tropics, we can pretty much put the season to bed in the Atlantic, Caribbean, and Gulf of Mexico, as well as the Eastern Pacific. Everything looks very quiet. We can always get a late season storm. We'll keep an eye on it, but for now, it doesn't look like we'll see anything. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing statewide, not much. But just beyond this period, maybe we could see some scattered light showers around. We'll talk about what's going on with a potential, at least minor pattern change in more detail as we get into the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough across the northern Rockies heading out into the Plains states. Around here, heights coming down as our ridge has flattened out. So down at the surface, partly sunny sky, high temperatures a little bit lower than yesterday. We should be in the low 80s this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy sky, overnight lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s. And then tomorrow, more of the same, high temperatures upper 70s to low 80s with some high clouds around. On Thursday, we're mostly sunny, highs upper 70s to near 80. And Friday, we see a ridge now building off at the Pacific Northwest coast, and a piece of energy caught underneath that will start to close off into an upper low. And that could be a feature that ultimately starts to affect us early next week in more direct fashion. For now, we'll see a return to high clouds on Friday, high temperatures a couple of degrees either side of 80. Then as we get to the weekend, that upper low continues to spin well off the Southern California coast, and it should generate quite a few mid and high-level clouds around here. We'll still see some sun, but I'd call it mostly cloudy for both Saturday and Sunday. And high temperatures each day, upper 70s, maybe low 80s. And no precipitation just yet, but that low will be getting closer to us. Now, as we go to Monday, the model spread starts to grow here, but the GFS shows the upper low getting closer. Maybe a few very light showers develop over Southeast California late Monday night. High temperatures here on Monday, upper 70s to near 80. Then, as we go to a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 23rd, and the GFS is showing an open wave type system coming into the southwest. And if that does verify, we would see an increase in moisture for some widely scattered or scattered light showers across the state. The key word is light. We probably wouldn't get much rain, maybe just a trace or a few hundredths of an inch. But some of our ensemble guidance is showing a deeper closed low coming into the southwest. And if that were to verify, we'd see a more organized or widespread concentration of rain. And even though it might not be all that significant, certainly would be more than what the GFS is advertising. At any rate, the model trends clearly depict a more unsettled solution early next week, just beyond 7 days. So there's a lot of time to watch this, and things can definitely change. But that is a trend that we are seeing. So maybe the possibility of our first rain in quite a while as we get out there toward early next week, and cooler temperatures along with that. Then going out 10 days, this is Thanksgiving Day. And the GFS shows another clipper type system, if you will, diving through the western states, cutting across the four corners. It's an overland trajectory. It would not give us much precipitation, but maybe a reinforcing shot of cool air. So if that were to pan out here, temperatures on Thanksgiving Day might be right around or maybe even just a shade below average, but conditions would be dry. Now, as we take a look at rainfall, this is for the Phoenix area coming off of the GFS Ensemble. This runs out through the end of November. And you see quite a few of the members are showing some degree of precipitation. The spread's pretty huge. We've got a couple of outliers there. The control member is way up there at 0.6 of an inch. The ensemble mean is around 0.2 of an inch. And you've got some members that still show nothing at all. So obviously the trend is looking a little bit wetter, favoring somewhat unsettled and slightly cooler temperatures. Let's hope that pans out. And then temperatures off the national blend of models, highs remaining just a little bit above average for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend, and then trending down for Thanksgiving week and way out there at the end of the forecast period. This is something the one and only Michelle will be interested in. We are getting very close to walking right up to the border of boot weather. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, and leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. I thank you so much for watching each and every day. Your support always so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Tuesday.